In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external partners in Slack. This is really helpful when you're working with clients, vendors, or collaborators who are outside your company, but you still want to keep all your communication organized in one place. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to click and what each option means. First, open Slack and head to the channel where you want to collaborate with your external partner. This can be an existing channel that your team is already using, or you can create a brand new channel just for this partnership. If you're starting fresh, consider naming the channel something that clearly indicates it involves an external organization, so your teammates immediately understand its purpose. Once the channel is open, look towards the top of the screen. You'll either see the channel name, or in the top right corner, you might see a small cluster of profile pictures or an Add People icon. Click either the channel name or that people icon. Both of these will bring up the channel details and give you options to manage who has access. From the menu that appears, choose the option to add people. A field will appear where you can type in the email address of the partner you want to invite. Make sure you enter the email they actually use for work, since this is where the invitation will be sent. After you enter their email, Slack will ask you to specify what kind of account you're inviting. Here, select the option that indicates you're inviting someone from an external organization, then click Next. This tells Slack that this person is not part of your internal workspace and that special security and permission rules may apply. Now you'll see some choices around permissions. Decide what you want your external partner to be able to do in this channel. In most cases, you can choose between allowing them to post messages and invite others, or only allowing them to post messages. If you want tight control over who joins, limit them to posting only. If you're comfortable with them bringing in more people from their side, enable the option to invite others. Before sending, you'll have the chance to add a short note to your invitation. This is optional, but it's a nice place to explain what the channel is for or what you'd like them to do first when they join. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. Depending on how your Slack workspace is set up, an administrator may need to review and approve the invitation before your partner can join. Once it's approved and they accept the invite, they'll appear in the channel and you can start collaborating.